Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the computer Lenovo L580. This computer comes with a CPU Intel Core i5 and also with a graphic card Intel UHD Graphics 620. The display is of a size of 15.6 inch with Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS. And in most cases it comes with a storage of 512 gigabit SSD and also includes a DDR4 RAM with 8 gigabit and with 4 GHz.4. The total weight of the computer is about 4.4 pounds, and the computer comes with the 8th generation of the processor from Intel. It comes with the operating system Windows 10 and the battery shows 45 watt-hour. The body material is made out of plastic and polycarbonate. The dimensions are 377 by 255 by 23, and it comes with 2 USB Type-C and 1 USB Type-A and 1 USB Type-A for the new generation 3.0 and 3.1. Also it comes with HDMI port and with a micro SD card, with a card reader for micro SD, SDHC and SDXC, and it comes also with an Ethernet LAN port, and also it comes with Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, and it comes with Bluetooth and audio jack for sound. The computer has a very nice design, even though it's a little bit big, but it does the job. I have been now working with it for a few weeks and I can say that I will give it 8 out of 10 points due to its performance, but also I have liked almost everything in it. I hope this video has given you a little reference about this computer. If you have some questions, you can write them for us in the comments and we will answer them for you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.